Those plant-based peanut butter cookies are so delicious, you won't even realize that they are gluten-free and vegan peanut butter cookies. They are crunchy on the outside, but moist in the inside. They're really delicious. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. I start the plant-based peanut butter cookies with 1 cup of peanut butter. I like to buy local, fresh-made, smooth and natural peanut butter. ¼ cup of maple syrup. 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. I mix it well before I add the other ingredients. Now I add ½ cup of oat flour, ½ cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of almond milk or milk of choice. I mix it very well. I turn on the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I use a medium-sized cookie scoop and set my cookies onto the prepared baking sheet. If you don't have a cookie scoop, just use 1½ tablespoons. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. And you can even leave a comment below if you enjoyed my video, a smiley face or something. Makes me happy. Thank you. Once I'm done with scooping all the cookies, I make sure the cookies are in shape, and then I make a crisscross with my fork on top of the cookie. You don't have to make the design, but it's very easy to make and it looks good. I tried many different ways of making gluten-free vegan peanut butter cookies, and this recipe I figured out was just the best for me and my family. Here I show you them up close, how they look. Very simple and easy to make. So for me it turned out I have 19 cookies. The cookies are about a finger size high, like about a centimeter. Now I bake them in my preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can bake both baking sheets in one setting, but I like to do them separately. They look nice and crisp from the outside. Now I set them onto my plate after I let them cool off completely. Those plant-based peanut butter cookies are very delicious, and I probably wouldn't even notice that they are gluten-free vegan peanut butter cookies. Now I take one cookie and show you the inside. I hope you can see that it is way softer in the inside. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe you want to watch this video next or maybe this playlist next. See you there. Bye.